which is to do with that Sheesh Mahal term that the Prime Minister really had put out on public domain. That's a coinage that has come from the BJP side. Now we are learning that vehicles carrying the 3D model of the Chief Minister's bungalow of 6 Flagstaff Road in the national capital, which has been termed as Sheesh Mahal by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, has now been prepared by the Bharatiya Janata Party. And this will be sent into all constituencies in Delhi. We are bringing you these pictures of that very 3D model that will be carried on to all constituencies in the national capital. In fact, my colleague Akash Sharma has sent us this exclusive report. Let's take a look.
Sheesh Mahal is one thing that is a matter of discussion here in the national capital ahead of assembly elections. And I'm showing you the visuals where Bharatiya Janata Party has created these models. And in fact, they have prepared a number of vehicles. These vehicles will be going to constituencies here in the national capital. And these models will be shown to people here in the capital city. Bharatiya Janata Party's argument is that Aam Aadmi Party was involved in a sort of corruption where in fact former CM of Delhi Arvind Kejriwal had created this Sheesh Mahal for himself. It has been alleged that the kind of things, in fact, there you can see commode 4 lakh, TV 10 lakh, दीवार 4 करोड़, marble 8 करोड़, interior 11.3 करोड़, पर्दे 1 करोड़. So these are the arguments where they are saying that Aam Aadmi Party Supremo Arvind Kejriwal says that he is an Aam Aadmi, and on the other hand he was using all these things. In fact, he was living a lavish life in this Sheesh Mahal that was his former residence. In fact, at the time when he was the Chief Minister of Delhi, he used to live at 6 Flagstaff Road, and Bharatiya Janata Party is saying that it is a Sheesh Mahal that he was living in. There I'm showing you the visuals of these models where in fact these models will be sent to different constituencies here in the capital city, and ahead of elections we are seeing that Sheesh Mahal is a very part of discussion here among the political parties. In fact, Bharatiya Janata Party is saying that they are going to take this issue to the ground level and want to talk to people about this sort of alleged scam that Aam Aadmi Party and Arvind Kejriwal was involved in.
In fact, let me bring in Akash Sharma, who's live with us on the broadcast. Now, Akash, the Bharatiya Janata Party seems to be working hard in going all guns blazing on this entire Sheesh Mahal accusation against Arvind Kejriwal and his Aam Aadmi Party. And certainly this miniature model that will go around in various constituencies in the national capital is definitely going to bring in the intrigue factor for many people watching. But is it going to bring in the votes?
Griha, Bharatiya Janata Party is clear that they want to take the alleged corruption that has been done by Aam Aadmi Party government to ground level. They want to tell voters and people of Delhi that look, this is the party that you chose 5 years back, and this is what they have done. As per them, Aam Aadmi Party was involved in corruption only. They did not deliver anything that was promised except corruption. And this is the reason why we are seeing issues like alleged scam in Sheesh Mahal thing, the whole controversy, alleged excise scam, and all other related things. As of now, I'm showing you the visuals of State BJP President, in fact, Virendra Sachdeva, who has reached here at New Delhi railway station. He's meeting the auto walas and in fact the porters here outside the New Delhi railway station. In fact, we are learning that sometime from now, Rail Minister Ashwini Vaishnav will be reaching here. And at this point in time, BJP is leaving no stone unturned in reaching to people of different classes. And in fact, when we talk about different communities here in the capital city, you are seeing these visuals where in fact Virendra Sachdeva is talking to Rajinder Soni, who is the General Secretary of the Auto Chalak Sangh here at New Delhi railway station. And in fact, when it is about the whole Sheesh Mahal controversy, so yes, Griha, when it is about the national capital, we know that how at around 2 p.m. elections would be announced, and ahead of it BJP is trying to talk on all those issues that they think that Aam Aadmi Party was involved in sort of corruption. In fact, they are talking about the CAG reports that have not been tabled here in Delhi Assembly, and in fact they are expecting a debate on it. Bharatiya Janata Party is attacking Aam Aadmi Party, saying that if you are courageous enough, then just please allow us to debate on those CAG reports that are, in fact, there are various observations in those reports, and we want to talk about those observations. We want to talk about all the policies and schemes that you announced during COVID period, business blaster scheme, or many schemes that were announced at that time, and as per them, corruption happened in all those schemes as well.
Right, Akash, do stay on with us. In fact, Aam Aadmi Party, in its defense, claims that that report is doctored. They also are sort of accusing Mr. Murmu, the CAG director at that time, to be complicit in this entire exercise by the Bharatiya Janata Party. Let's see what really happens as far as this controversy is concerned. But right before 2 p.m. and that EC date announcement for Delhi, expect a lot of news to be coming out of the national capital. Here's another one that we are learning of. That is the Aam Aadmi Party coming out with its campaign song ahead of elections in Delhi. Let's take a look at that.